The Private Voluntary Organizations Bill is a bill which has been in Parliament for some time. I think by the time I got elected, the bill was already traveling through the processes of Parliament. The bill has now been read for a second time. And when a bill is read for a second time, it means that it is now, the substance of the bill is now being debated by Parliament. And at any time, it may actually be passed into law by Parliament whenever the debate is exhausted or whenever the minister moves that the debate be closed. It means that any moment that a bill is ready to actually become law. However, in this particular case, the committee, the Justice Committee, had not yet given its report. So I think that when Parliament opens on the 3rd of May, that report is likely to be read, and I suspect that before the end of May, that bill will have gone through Parliament and will be law. I cannot comment on the contents of the bill because, as you know, I have not been a member of Parliament for the past few years, for the past 1 or 2 years since I have been recalled, and I have not made myself familiar with the contents of the bill. So I was just commenting that I need to do that quickly so that I'm in a position to debate. It would be interesting to hear what the public's contributions have been regarding that bill, because it's a bill which has which has far-reaching consequences for the way that civic society or NGOs have been operating or will continue to operate in this country. I think it's something which requires a greater spotlight than it has been receiving from the media and NGOs to date.